The freedom to worry less, an investment in reliability. That's what Space-Saver's powered mobile systems stand for. Our powered mobile systems are the longest-lasting, most durable, and reliable in the industry. Like an all-wheel drive car, our superior drive and guidance systems move carriages from multiple points, avoiding lag and fishtailing. Our DC drive motors ensure smooth acceleration and deceleration, keeping stored items safe from shock and vibrations. In addition to performance, we're obsessed with safety. We've designed our powered systems with every safeguard you can think of, and a few you haven't. Our systems are built with features that prevent users and items from getting stuck between carriages. Our systems can also be installed with anti-tip devices, remote controls to allow users to open, stop, or reset the system from a distance, and environmental sensors that link to your building's fire protection and security systems. With Space-Saver's powered mobile systems, you can have full confidence and peace of mind. No power? No problem. Our automatic battery backup systems kick in if your building loses power. The backup keeps full system functionality, including all safety features. The pride we take in our work is unparalleled. Like a new car on the assembly line, every Space-Saver system is fully tested before it's shipped. Need more proof? We also replicate 20 years of daily use by cycle testing prototypes before bringing any new product to market. Thorough testing, from initial product development to every single product that ships from our factory, ensures that your Space-Saver system will work reliably for years to come. And we have the certifications to prove it. We're so confident in our powered mobile systems that we offer a 10-year warranty on motors and a 5-year warranty on parts. It's the industry's best warranty on the industry's best systems. Just like when you drive that new car off the dealership's lot, questions are likely to come up. Don't worry. Our nationwide distribution network is best in class and has you covered with local, factory-certified technicians. Whether you're in the early stages of planning, installation, or maintenance decades later, we're just a phone call away. There's power in reliability. Make it your own today with a Space-Saver powered mobile system.